Lightning and Friends Racer of the Year Part 2. Enjoy. Hello everybody, this is Racing Sports Network News here. I'm Rick Anderson here alongside my good friend Yoshi the Turtle. Hello everyone. So what course are we at today, Yoshi? Well, today we are at the Los Angeles International Speedway, where the four racers of the four-way tie will compete for the Racer of the Year and will also win the 10th Piston Cup of the season. Wow. And the pace car's turning into pit road right now. And the flag's going to wave in just a second. Speed. I am speed. Victor, 1 winner, 3 losers. Okay. Let's do this. And the racers are off. Brick Yardley jumps into the early as Jackson Storm falls back to third. Oh, now to fourth. Now they're continuing to race towards the front stretch. I'm gonna beat you today, Brick Yardley. No, I'm gonna beat you, Lightning Queen. How dare you, Brick? Brick Yardley's still with the lead. Oh, and here comes McQueen cutting in front of him. What? Looks like Brick Yardley's now in second, now going on to third. Jackson Storm is trying to remove her past him. No! Oh, and Jackson removes right past him. Jackson looks to the inside of both racers. Looks like he has a huge advantage with that inside line. And he'll take the lead as the 64 is able to get past the 95. Yeah. Oh my God, what's going on? Oh goodness, looks like Yardley, McQueen, D-Pedal, and Storm are loose. We're about to enter lap 2, and looks like McQueen's kind of trying to get a huge advantage with that inside line. And right there, and he'll take the lead. He's right there. Looks like there's a battle up there shaping for third. D-Pedal and Yardley are trying to look on both sides of Jackson. Oh goodness, looks like Yardley and D-Pedal are loose again. Whoa, here comes RPM racer Barry D-Pedal looking for the lead now. Number 64 is having a strong lead right now. No! Looks like Barry Deepel is in third place. Now going on to third. No. 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 Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm in second place. Looks like Barry Deepel works his way from fourth to second. Whoa. Oh, looks like Barry Deepel blew his tire and slides across. He doesn't seem to have any damages, so he will just continue. He will continue to race right after when he goes into the pit roads for a quick repair. The pace cars came out, leading the racers into their positions for almost a kind of a slight caution. Okay, you need to do good this time, man. Do good. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna fill you with fuel. Okay, you're good. Go, go, go. Barry Deepel comes back from the pit roads to the pace line. And the pace car has turned to pit road once again. We're ready to get back to racing, folks. Green flag back in the air, 2 to go. Actually, no, 3 to go. You guys will never beat me. I'll show you, McQueen. Whoa! Whoa! Looks like Brick cuts ahead of the other racers. Brick Yardley now with the lead. And we are on the final lap. Okay, it's now or never. The last lap is here. Let's do this. Looks like McQueen's trying to get on the inside right there. The racers are trying to trap him. Oh, but he does an amazing flip move and he takes the lead. Is he gonna win it? I don't know, folks. Oh, here comes Barry Deepel with the win. McQueen second, Brick Yardley third, and Jackson fourth. Yes, guys, I won it. I won Racer of the Year. Woo! Well, I'm happy for you. Congratulations. Yeah, congratulations for winning Racer of the Year. Yeah! Oh, excuse me. So, how does it feel about your first win and you just won Racer of the Year? It feels super good. I'm even too happy to talk right now. Okay, peace out, guys. The end.